So Haley, we're in the kind of mid-April 2022. It's been a little while. So last time we had your series, Carving Out Your Own Slice of Texas, Homegrown Haley. And, catch us up. What have you been up to?
So I've been really busy. So I just actually switched brokerages. So yay, I know. So I'm at a new,
That's awesome.
I know. I don't know. Do I tell you that?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Well, I'm at a new brokerage. It's called First Class Real Estate Next Generation, Plano Parkway out of Plano. So I love my burbs, but I can also get downtown to this area, like where we are now, right outside of Preston Hollow in Dallas in less than 20 minutes. And so super new, just doing all the things, trying to try. Yeah, I guess the new brokerage, the reason why I brought it up is because even in the name, Next Generation, it's like they're old school and new school, both with real estate, both seem to work. So even like now, we're doing the video thing.
Yeah.
I mean, people just they check their mail and they watch videos at the same time. It's no one or the other.
Yeah, I mean, I never knew that we had to, be TV stars, right?
Yeah.
To do our profession in real estate.
Exactly.
But it's fun. It's fun. I mean, I've always enjoyed it. I come from that advertising background and marketing. So, you can only do so much in terms of running numbers all day. It's fun to kind of embrace that creative side. Yeah. And you are as well, right? So you're doing a lot of just showcasing different homes in the area, as well as, the lifestyle side of things too, right? So that's important for someone that's moving to an area. It's not just the home, but it's the schools, it's the restaurants, it's the grocery stores, it's all of those. Yeah, the whole community.